Welcome to Sparks Toyota.
Here we have a 2018 Toyota Highlander Limited. It has only one previous owner and comes with power heated mirrors with signals, chrome trim, roof rails, deep tinted glass, and much more. 19-inch chrome tech alloy wheels, all-season tires, fully automatic halogen projector auto high beam daytime running lights with delay off, and a strong 6-cylinder with only 3,924 miles. The power liftgate, the lift-up rear window with a wiper, large LED brake lights, a spacious cargo area with a third-row seat, and a comfortable second row with climate control. We can't forget about the power sunroof, the front row power heated and cooled leather seats with driver memory, cruise, dual zone auto climate, a garage door opener, a push-button start, a leather steering wheel with convenience controls, the multimedia and navigation touchscreen with a CD player, Bluetooth, and voice recognition, and a backup camera to make backing up a breeze.
Please let us know if you have any questions, and thank you for watching.